This is the mirror image of counting up. We are given a number n, say 5, and we want to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, counting downward. Again, no loops. Just a function that calls itself. The only thing we will change from counting up is the order of 2 lines, and that flips the whole result. The idea is to print our own number before we ask for the smaller ones. So for n, we print n right away, and only then call the function again with n minus 1. That call prints n minus 1, then recurses further, and so on, each printing itself before going smaller. It stops when n reaches 0, the base case, where we simply return. Because every call hands down a smaller number, we always move towards 0, so it is guaranteed to end. The base case comes first. If n is 0, we have nothing to print, so we return. Otherwise, we print n straight away, and then call the function again with n minus 1. Since the print happens before the recursive call, the largest number lands first, and the numbers fall downward to 1. Let's build it live and watch the countdown appear. First, the base case. When n reaches 0, we stop and return. Then we print n right away, before doing anything smaller. And only after printing do we recurse on n minus 1, which counts the rest of the way down. Now let's test it and hit run. And there is our countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The only difference from counting up was printing before we recurse, and that single swap reversed everything. Here's the whole flow. If n is 0, we return. Otherwise, we print n first, then recurse on n minus 1. Because the print comes before the recursive call, the biggest number is printed first and we count down. The cost is the same as counting up. There is one call for every number from n down to 0, so the time is order n. And because each call waits on the stack for the next, the memory used by the call stack is also order n. Remember these? First, printing before the recursive call is what gives you n down to 1, the exact opposite of recursing first. Second, always include the base case at 0, or it never stops. And third, notice that counting up and counting down differ only in which of the 2 lines comes first, a lovely little lesson about how order controls recursion.